Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do an activity. Already we have completed three activity: clay molding activity, block building activity, scribbling activity. Today we are going to do paper tearing and sticking activity. So children, let us start our activity. Okay, look here children. This is your plain drawing book. You have completed your scribbling activity in this notebook only. So today you are going to do your paper tearing activity also in that book only. So for that paper tearing activity, I have taken old newspaper. Here this old newspaper we are going to use. Okay, first we are going to do paper tearing. When you are tearing this paper, your fine motor development will take place. Your finger muscles will become strong. So you do like this action, okay, first. So here what we are going to do, take any old newspaper, ask your parent to give any old newspaper. I have taken here, make it into small pieces like this, keep it away the remaining. So here tear the paper from using your finger from the corner, big, small, whatever size you want, like that you can tear this paper. So I am tearing this paper. Your fine motor development and your finger muscles will become strong. So like this you tear old newspaper and keep it ready. After tearing this paper, same way I have kept ready for you like this. Okay, keep ready in the bowl. Okay, so now what we are going to do, apply glue stick, take glue stick and apply in the plain paper like this. Wherever you want you can apply, paste. Okay, glue like this. Now what I am going to do, I am going to take this paper and going to stick here in this page. Okay, so like this you can stick free, wherever you want you can stick, but inside this page only you are going to stick, not away from this page. This one page only you are going to stick this all. Okay children, like this full page you can stick. If you want to apply glue you can apply. See here the paper is coming out, so you can apply. So like this full page you are going to stick the paper you have torn. Okay, we have kept already like that. So now you understood how to do paper tearing and sticking activity. So whenever you are free you can do this activity. This will make your fine motor development. So now after this page is completed, you can complete full also. So next what we are going to do, here I have done one picture for you. This is an umbrella. Okay, you can make an apple, orange, mango or tree. You can ask your parent to make outline like this. Okay, outline only we need. Inside this umbrella we are going to do our paper tearing activity. For that paper tearing activity I have brought some colored craft paper. This all craft paper or marble paper you can ask in the stationery shop. Whatever color you want, all the colors are available. If you are going to make apple, you can buy red color paper and green color paper. Like that you can choose the color of the paper also. Here I am going to make umbrella. So what I have planned, I am going to make this colorful umbrella. So each color I am going to stick on this umbrella. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 colors I'm going to stick. So we need 4 papers. Okay. So here again in the stick also one more color. 5 colors we are going to use. For that we have to what we have to do? We have to tear this paper into pieces. Tear into pieces, small or big. Like that you make it pieces. Like that I have made for you. Look at this children. Here I have already completed for you. See here dark green color paper. This size here I made like pieces of paper. Then red color. Then dark blue or purple color. yellow color, fluorescent green color. Okay, so we have 5 colors. That 5 colors we are going to stick in this umbrella. Before doing that, what we are going to do, apply glue. So I am going to apply glue on the first part, only first part. So separate color, if same color you are going to apply, you can paste glue full umbrella, but here separate colors we are going to do. So first part only I am going to apply glue. Now I am going to select what color we will select, red color. So this red color bowl, it is ready, so it will be easy to make. So stick that inside the outline only you have to stick, it should not come out of that. Okay, you can turn the paper again also, the shape, what is the shape, like that you can turn it again also. So stick all the papers wherever the white parts are shown. Okay children, I hope you will do after seeing this video. So nicely watch this how to do. Okay, like this. Okay, no need to cover whole. Okay, little bit you have to show the outline. On the outline don't stick the paper. Okay, otherwise the umbrella shape will go. So on the outline don't stick, inside wherever you want you can stick. Okay, so now here red color is over. Again you have to complete it nicely, paste small pieces. Okay, it will take time, so I am doing this much only. Okay, now next color, second part, next color. So before taking the paper, what you have to do, apply glue nicely. Now I am going to select yellow color. So yellow color, this is big, so I am turning again, pasting, turn it according to your size, paste it. Slowly you can do. Okay, sit in one place whenever you are free. You can do this activity, and you can hang this in the wall also, like wall piece you can do. Okay children, this will look like a wall hanging also. Your work you can show. Okay, so like this. Okay, now again third one, apply glue. We have kept paper ready. So again next color is this dark blue, purple like blue. Okay, so here I am going to stick this. Like that order you have to stick. Okay, from up or down like that, so it will be easy to do. If you start from the center, it will be difficult to complete. So any one corner you select and paste it neatly. So children, this will be little tough. So first beginners you can select any one. Apple, so red color only you have to stick. Orange color only you have to stick. When you do that perfectly, then you come to this. Okay, colorful papers. Now this also over. Now we are going to do fourth one, fourth color. So apply glue. Now our this fluorescent color is remaining. So we will start doing this. Paste nicely. So children, you can take your friends also for doing this activity. Then you can enjoy. One will tear the colors. You can sit together and tear the paper and then collect it and keep, and then you can stick like this. Whatever you want you can make. This is a group activity. You can sit together in a group and you can do with your friends also. Okay children. Now our umbrella is going to get ready. Now handle is remaining. So this glue is sticking. It will take time to dry. Okay, give time to dry. So here one more I will put. Okay children. Now this handle, when you are giving glue, take care it should not go out. Okay, with your finger also you can give. Wash your finger after doing this. Okay. Okay, now dark green color is remaining, so I am going to stick this. So for this we need small pieces. Then only it will come inside the handle. Small pieces. We should not cover the outline also. If the outline is there, then only it will look like a umbrella. So take care. We should not come out of the this. If white part is visible, no problem. Okay, that will also look pretty only. So children, we are going to finish this activity, complete this activity. Okay, now completed our activity. So children, this is our umbrella is ready. Colorful umbrella is ready. This is paper tearing and sticking activity. It will develop your fine motors muscles. Okay children, do this at home. First you do in the newspaper, free, wherever you want to stick. Select one page and stick wherever you want. Then after doing that, make outline of some picture, apple, fruit or tree or vegetables, anything. I have made here umbrella for you. Like that you have to do this activity. So children, I hope you enjoyed this, doing this activity. See you. Bye. Thank you.